अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट दोस्त फरहान रशीद और आप इस समय देख रहे हैं हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल मुस्लिम ब्लॉगर। दोस्तों, आज हीरा गोल्ड की हियरिंग जो है हुई है और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छी खबर है, खुशखबरी है। नौहरा शेख की बेल कैंसिल हो गई है और क्या क्या ऑर्डर्स दिए हैं देखते हैं। चलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में क्या हुआ था, सीधे मैं जो है उसी फुटेज को आपके सामने रखता हूँ।
The petitioner is present before the Honorable Court. Why is the petitioner not cooperating with the ED when it comes to executing the?
जज साहब ने पूछा कि क्यों कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है नौहरा शेख बोल के। खैर जो भी है, आगे देखिए।
My lords, if this Honorable Court gives us an opportunity, they have not supplied the copies to us. We have phoned them, we have called them. The atrocities and the illegalities of the ED will put on paper, my lords. What type of illegality? Lot of illegalities. One simple example I can show before this Honorable Court, my lords. One short accommodation they are seeking to put all in the paper, my lords. One property they have written it 12 times. One single property, my lords. It's here I can show this Honorable Court, my lords. Page number 25, my lords. Trying to convey that under our orders, yes, these properties are being attached by ED, and under our orders, they are.
एक्चुअली नौहरा शेख के वकील जो है, वो टोपी वाला बंदा जो है, उसने जो है आर्ग्यूमेंट करने की कोशिश की कि पीएमएलए कोर्ट में जो है ट्रायल कोर्ट में अभी तक हियरिंग नहीं हुई है, वो कैसे एक्शन कर सकते हैं बोल के। तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज साहब ने, जस्टिस पर्डीवाला साहब ने कहा कि तुम क्या कहना चाह रहे हो, हमने बताया था हमारे ऑर्डर से जो है ये है, वहाँ पे हमें ट्रायल कोर्ट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, हम बड़ी अदालत है बोल के बोल रहे हैं।
Yes, my lords, the attachment in the PMLA court is still not confirmed by us. No, we are not concerned with any PMLA court. Now the proceedings are before this court. It is under our orders that these properties are being attached and put to auction. You have no say in that. Absolutely.
जज साहब फिर से कंफर्म करते हैं कि हमें ट्रायल कोर्ट से या किसी से भी कोई मतलब नहीं है, हमने ऑर्डर दिया था, हमारे ऑर्डर्स पे ईडी जो ऑक्शन के लिए प्रॉपर्टीज लगाई थी, तुम्हें कोई बोलने का हक नहीं है करके नौहरा शेख के वकील को कहा।
You are obliged to execute the sale deed in favor of the auction purchase. Yes, my lords. My lords, the trial is still pending. No, we are not concerned with that. And most of the FIRs are quashed. Lakhs and lakhs of investors standing. All FIRs are paid, my lords.
क्या ऑल एफआईआर पेड करके बोल रहा है वो नौहरा शेख का वकील। कौन सी एफआईआर क्वैश हुई है, कहाँ एफआईआर क्वैश हुई? अभी भी ट्रायल कोर्ट में केसेस चल रहे हैं, एनबीडब्ल्यू वारंट्स चल रहे हैं। परसों मुंबई में एनबीडब्ल्यू इशू हुआ है।
Are you going to execute the sale deeds or not, or should we send you back to jail? If we will not force you. If you do not want to execute, doesn't matter. But we will cancel the bail. My lords, we bow before the Honorable Court. This Honorable Court had ordered. I went and executed that property, first property, my lord. How many sale deeds are to be executed? My lord, the second sale deed which I have, my lord. 16 sale deeds are to be executed. Yes, when will you execute? May I suggest something, Lord?
ओवरऑल कहने का मतलब ये है कि जज साहब ने एक बात नहीं सुनी है।
My lord, the second sale deed what this Honorable Court is directing me to execute, my lord, that property doesn't belong to me, my lord. And the ED has misguided this Honorable Court stating that I am the owner of the property, my lord. But still I had gone to the sub-registrar, my lord. This Honorable Court can... Yes, submit, Lord. You have filed an IA which indicates that there are three properties which are also in the name of his stepson. This was also earlier dealt by my lord. Twice, my lord, we have made a prayer that these auction properties where the money itself is deposited, which is 101.75 crores, let these be, my lord, finalized by the department, my lord. They can execute instead of the seller, my lord. Let them execute the sale deed. Otherwise, my lord, the problem is that the money now stands deposited since more than 4 months. And there is no execution which is happening. And they have not supplied these copies to us. Other auction proceedings, we have not keeping it all in dark, my lord. They have not given us supplied us the copies of all this what the learned counsel is making a submission, my lord. The lady will surrender, and you will see to it that for the purpose of, we will permit her to be taken to the office of the sub-registrar for the purpose of execution. Well, there are some properties which are in her lady's name, it's like stepson, son, mentor. My lord, for those, humble submission have to
proceed with the.
My lords, on humble submission, my lord.
Look, we have done the attachment, we want the money for the purpose of execution.
On humble
That's
submission, my
what I
lord.
was submitting.
One
So
humble
those
submission.
properties, my lord, your lordships have also last time indicated, my lords, that in case she doesn't come or doesn't get the concerned person,
Till then she will be inside.
yes, let her
We will indicate to the superintendent of the jail that she is willing to execute on this day. Escort will be given, taken to the cell deed, put back. Till the last cell deed is over.
because there are certain properties which are not on her name.
This is
He has to
the
ensure.
PV is coming before
Yes,
the honorable
but
court
your lordship
and
on
making
that
that.
fast. And despite that, what she says is, how do I get a third person? There is no order from this court. That's
My lord,
exactly.
how can I be held responsible for the properties which are not in my name, my lords?
If you are able to convince that person to execute the cell deed.
My lords, that is a subject matter of trial, my lords, and it is not in my name, my lords. My lords, one humble submission, my lords. One humble submission, my lords. My lords, one humble submission, my lords. The petitioner wants to speak, my lords.
No, you will
May
not.
I, Your Lordship?
This honorable court had asked.
You are the counsel for the petitioner, you will hear it.
Lordship, may I submit? I am the intervener. I have filed 3 applications which are on record.
Who are you?
I am just for the sake of purchasing the property. My letter of intent has gone to the ED, and ED has to talk to me about it, and I am ready. But ED has not given me
What
any
happens
reply
is
to
the
this.
process. We are evaluating the properties. If the price matches, we'll agree.
My lords,
Your Lordship may then mention this, Your Lordship.
The buyer has already purchased the property.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But prior to that, the visiting the site, your lordship, at that time, their associates threatening to the buyer not to intervene.
all is false submission, my lord. They are misguiding the court, my lord. They are not supplied us any documents to show all this, my lord. They have the audacity to file false affidavit before this honorable court, my lord. And we are ready to file a contempt of court against them because they have filed all false affidavit, my lord.
But she is violating the order of.
She is not violating any order, my lords. We bow before the honorable court. They are making all false submission, my lord. Let them put it on affidavit, my lords, whatever they are saying, and they are ready. They have the audacity to put a false affidavit as well before this honorable court, my lords. They have done it, my lords.
It's all right, doesn't matter, we are not going to decide who is a bona fide purchaser.
My property not the auction.
Yeah, it has to go, it has to go. You all are hand in glove.
My lords,
यहाँ पे जज साहब ने कहा यू आर ऑल इन हैंड इन ग्लोव बोल के, मतलब जज साहब को भी समझ में आ गया कि क्या खेल चल रहा है, डिले टैक्टिक्स क्या हो रहा है करके। खैर ठीक है, पूरा सुनिए।
Our
all the 50 FIRs are already paid, my lords. They paid all the amounts to the depositors, my lords. 55 FIRs all paid, my lords, and most of the FIRs are quashed, my lords.
allow us to dictate here. Nobody will speak now, not a word. Is that clear? Our order dated 18th October 2024 reads thus. Okay. By our aforesaid order,
जज साहब थोड़ा कुछ सोच रहे हैं, बट ओवरऑल जो है
declined to drop all the FIRs lodged against the present petitioner in exercise of our jurisdiction under Article 22 of the Constitution. And at the same time, we also proceeded to cancel the bail. We are directed that the SFIO shall proceed further in accordance with law. We had granted 2 weeks' time to the petitioner accused to surrender before the authority concerned. We had also directed the Enforcement Directorate to proceed further in accordance with law. All states were permitted to proceed with the investigation of the different FIRs.
तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत जो है ओवरऑल बहुत ही अच्छा सोच समझ के टाइम निकाल के हीरा गोल्ड के केस में ये सबसे लेंथी प्रोसेस में जो है हियरिंग आज हुई है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। करीब करीब 14 मिनट की हियरिंग हुई है और जज साहब देखिए आप थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पे ये साइलेंट हो गए हैं और वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि मतलब मैं
What happened after we cancelled the bill?
Because thereafter what happened, she moved in MA, my lords. I'll give that MA number.
After the bill was cancelled, my lord,
We are happy to this.
sorry, my lords.
My lord, what happened is when in October, my lords, your lordship had cancelled the bail.
After this order we have referred to, what happened thereafter?
She, my lords, moved an MA for modification of this order, my lords. That MA was, my lords, MA 2227 of 24, which was filed on 23rd of
What is the
October.
date of the order passed on the summons?
My lords, thereafter the order is 4/11/24, my lords. Your lordships may look at 4/11/24. In the MA, my lords, what had happened is she came up with 3 properties. She said these are worth 1200 crores and I'll get the money and I'll deposit. So, my lords, after the MA, the order is 4/11/24.
What did you do?
My lords, your lordship said you find out and file a report what is the value of this property and then you auction them.
After the order
On prescription permission, my lords.
was passed, the report on the miscellaneous application number 227 of 2024 in the main writ petition. On 4/11/2024, this court passed the following order in the said miscellaneous application. Thus, although he had ordered that the bail stands cancelled, having regard to the subsequent developments, he had permitted the petitioner accused we extended the time period to surrender. This order has continued over a period of time.
May I give my lord?
We heard the learned counsel appearing for the parties. It appears that the petitioner is not cooperating.
One property is registered, my lords. Incorporated. The second property is not in my name, my lords.
She has been cooperated with the ED insofar as execution of the sale deeds are concerned. Many properties were attached and put to auction. Today, although ED has received the sale consideration from all those auction purchases, yet the ED is unable to get the sale deeds executed through the petitioner accused in favor of the auction purchases. We are informed that in all 16 sale deeds are to be executed. The petitioner is personally present in the courtroom along with her counsel. She has many grievances to redress. We do not propose to go into any other controversy. As observed earlier, this is a case of a large-scale fraud where thousands of investors have been duped. The scam is worth about 10,000 crores, rupees 10,000. In such circumstances referred to above, we are left with no other option now but to direct the petitioner accused to surrender before the jail authorities within a period of 1 week from today.
जज साहब ने बेल कैंसिल करते हुए नौहरा शेख को 1 हफ्ते के अंदर जो है जेल अथॉरिटीज़ के सामने सरेंडर होने को कहा है।
Failing which, a non-billable warrant shall be issued.
अगर वो सरेंडर नहीं होती है तो नॉन बेलेबल अरेस्ट वारंट इशू होगा और नौहरा शेख को अरेस्ट कर लिया जाएगा।
For her arrest. Once the petitioner surrenders,
अगर नौहरा शेख सरेंडर हो जाती है तो जज साहब कहते हैं कि मतलब उसको जो है सारे जो एस्कॉर्ट करना है और सारे प्रॉपर्टीज़ को रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए वो है या उसके जो भी लोग हैं उनको लेकर आना उसकी ज़िम्मेदारी है नौहरा शेख की। अगर वो नहीं लेकर आती है, सेल डीड रजिस्टर नहीं होती है, तो आगे देखिए क्या होता है। जज साहब डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं।
surrenders, the council may inform ED that the petitioner is ready and willing to execute the sale deeds
As and when she's willing.
as and when she is willing. If the petitioner expresses her willingness to execute the sale deeds, then for that purpose, petitioner may be escorted to the office of the sub-registrar for the purpose of execution of the sale deeds. Once all sale deeds and other formalities are completed, all 16 sale deeds and other formalities are completed, it shall be opened thereafter for the petitioner to once again to come before us and take the payment.
जज साहब कहते हैं कि अगर नौहरा शेख सारे जो 16 सेल डीड से वो रजिस्ट्रेशन करके दे देती है, वो क्या करती है हमें नहीं मालूम। अगर वो कर देती है तो उसके बाद अगर ये कोर्ट में आती है बेल के लिए या कुछ भी उसके, तब हम सोचेंगे क्या करना है।
Normal submission. That is not 10,000 crore, my lords.
Whatever it is.
They have not put it into record, my lords. Just vague allegation.
So we grant you 1 week time to go back to jail. If she expresses her desire, willingness to,
Well, we'll in fact reach out because what has happened is it is one of the orders of
she doesn't, she remains virgin. Okay?
what the problem is.
Well, let's let the auction be.
Persons who have participated in the auctions gets confidence from the orders of this court.
So we have passed.
Yes.
Well, they are selling the properties for peanuts.
Hereafter.
100 crore property they are selling for 2 crores, my lords. Let the auction be transparent, my lords. All the illegalities they are doing, my lords.
The confidence of these investors and these buyers will be shaken and nothing. We have got 90 more properties to auction further.
And today, what more do we do, Mr. Venkateswaran?
Well, I am only visiting.
All
यहाँ पे ईडी के वकील साहब जो है वेंकटेश जी बहुत अच्छा आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हैं माशाल्लाह। वो बहुत अच्छे से जो है इन्वेस्टर्स के बिहाफ में और जो बायर्स है उनके बिहाफ में आर्ग्यूमेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ अच्छा ऑर्डर लेने की कोशिश करते हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है।
allegations are vague, my lords. All the allegations are vague, my lords.
Beseeching our
If the sale deeds are not executed within a period of 2 months from today, then we shall ask the registrar of the Supreme Court to execute.
Yes, very good. That's all.
फाइनली सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज साहब जस्टिस पर्डीवाला ने एक बहुत अच्छा जो है वर्डिक्ट दिया है, ऑर्डर दिया है कि मगर अगर नौहरा शेख, वैसे ये 2 महीने देने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, खैर ठीक है उनका भी कुछ लिमिटेशंस होंगे। 2 महीने के अंदर अगर नौहरा शेख 16 के 16 सेल डीड अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन करके देने में कामयाब नहीं होती है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के रजिस्ट्रार जाके ये जो ईडी के बायर्स ऑक्शन में जो बायर्स है उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन करके देगी करके ऑर्डर्स में दे देते हैं। तो खैर जो भी है सुनिए आगे क्या होता है।
Okay? Very good. Next matter,
Your Lordship, these 3 intervention applications may be decided.
partnership. Next.
तो मेरे भाई बुजुर्ग और दोस्तों ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छी खबर है। नौहरा शेख को जेल फिक्स हो गया है। जज साहब ने साफ साफ जो है नौहरा शेख की एक नहीं सुनी, नौहरा शेख के वकील की एक नहीं सुनी है और नौहरा शेख को सीधा सीधा कहा 1 हफ्ते के अंदर जेल अथॉरिटीज़ के सामने सरेंडर होना है। नौहरा शेख को 1 हफ्ते का टाइम दिया गया है। अगर सरेंडर नहीं होती है तो NBW वारंट इशू होगा, नौहरा शेख को जो है अरेस्ट किया जाएगा। और एक नौहरा शेख के फिर अगेंस्ट में ये एक और चीज़ आया है कि सेल डीड रजिस्टर करके देना है। 16 रजिस्टर्ड सेल डीड रजिस्टर करना है जिसकी वैल्यू 101 करोड़ बनती है और बाकी के भी प्रॉपर्टीज़ का वो आगे देखेंगे, लेकिन फ़िलहाल 101 करोड़ का मामला है। 16 सेल डीड रजिस्टर करना है। नौहरा शेख को 2 महीने का टाइम दिया जाता है। अगर 2 महीने के टाइम के अंदर अगर नौहरा शेख रजिस्टर करके नहीं देती है, किसी के भी नाम पे प्रॉपर्टी हो, वो कोर्ट का कोई उसमें लेना देना नहीं है, ना ईडी का है। नौहरा शेख की जिम्मेदारी बनती है किसको लाना है, कौन ओनर है, उसको लेकर आके रजिस्टर करा के देना है। मान लो कि नौहरा शेख फेल हो जाती है 2 महीने के अंदर तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का रजिस्ट्रार जाके प्रॉपर्टीज़ को रजिस्टर करके देने का हुक्म जारी किया गया है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक बायर्स के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा जो है एक कॉन्फिडेंस का माहौल बना हुआ है। खैर एक बात क्लियर है कि 2 महीने का और टाइम जो है एक्सटेंड किया गया, ये थोड़ा सा मायूसी वाली बात है। खैर जो भी है, ओवरऑल अच्छा वर्डिक्ट आया है, अच्छा ऑर्डर आया है। फिलहाल देखते हैं कि नौहरा शेख सरेंडर होती है नहीं होती है। आप कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए कि क्या नौहरा शेख के साथ आज जो हुआ है हादसा, उसको जो जेल भिजवाया गया, सामने बुला करके उसके सामने उसकी एक नहीं सुनी, उसको सामने सिर्फ खड़ा करके ऑर्डर सुनाया जज साहब ने, क्या ये अच्छा ऑर्डर था या नहीं था। और आप लोगों की जो शिकायतें थे, वो तमाम शिकायतें मुझे लगता है कि आज के इस हियरिंग में दूर हो चुकी हैं। और आप कंप्लेनर हो या नॉन कंप्लेनर हो, जो भी हो, आप लोगों को ये तो समझ में आ गया है कि आज जो है इन्वेस्टरों की जीत हुई है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। जो डिपॉजिटर्स हैं उनको डिपॉजिटर्स एक्ट के तहत इंसाफ ज़रूर मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह। आगे देखते हैं और क्या क्या होने वाला है। फ़िलहाल मैं आपसे इजाज़त मांगता हूँ। दुआ में याद रखिए। आपका फरहान रशीद, मुस्लिम ब्लॉगर। शुक्रिया।